Okay, this is how I'm gonna cook the 2-minute hamburger. Okay, we're gonna get our toast oven going. I'm gonna get the, I don't have a hamburger bun, I've just got bread. Okay, this is gonna be the best homemade hamburger you can get. And in 2 minutes anyway. Okay, we can take this is a frozen patty. I'm gonna show you where I'll get them and everything. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna take them, I'm trying to do this with one hand. I'm gonna fold it up the best we can. That's close enough. Stick it in, put it in the microwave. 1 minute. Remember, this is a 2-minute hamburger. Start. Okay, meanwhile, we have our plate. We have our lettuce and tomatoes. Okay. Get a little green salad there. Okay. All right. And we have our tomato. Colored slices. Okay, these are actually homegrown. I grow my own tomatoes. Okay, and we have mustard mayo. We're gonna put on our hamburger. All right. Now the hamburger is still going. This is 1 minute. Okay. Now what we're gonna do. It stops. I'm going to take it out. We're going to turn it over. And we're going to put it for 1 more minute, which will be the 2-minute hamburger. Alright. And we got our toaster going. I could have put the toaster in a little bit earlier. Okay, well, that's good enough. All right. She's still going. And when it stops, I'm going to check and see if the toast is ready. It's already smelling really good. Okay, and I'm going to show you where I get these patties. And they are very, very good. Okay, that's a real good smell. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right, now come over here. We're gonna see if our toast is ready. We should have. Oh, it's ready. All right, toast is ready. Oh, all right. Shut that off. What we do is we put our mayo. Okay, comma's clean. We put our mayo. We'll try to put some mayo. And we put mayo. All right, we got a little mayo. And whatever you like. And a lot of mayo. And we got mustard. Mustard, and of course we'll roll that out. Got a lot of mayo there. That's good. That's the way I like it. Okay, what we're gonna do? We're gonna take a little of this mayo. We'll put it on this bread. So I'm doing all this with one hand. You can put ketchup or whatever, just mayo, just mustard, whatever you like. It's your hamburger. Okay. A little awkward doing this with one hand, but we got her. Okay. Now we're gonna come over here. We're gonna put our 1-minute hamburger, which is pretty hot. 2-minute hamburger, I should say. And it is good. Put it on the bread. Put our tomato, our lettuce. And there you have the 2-minute hamburger. And it's very good. Now, I'll show you where we get it, what we use. Okay, I'm cheating here now. Okay, I'm cheating because look what I'm using. Okay, it's flame grilled Angus choice beef patties. They're cooked. USDA choice. Okay. Let's see. Microwave oven. Let's see. Anyway, they're pre-cooked, gluten-free, and I get these at Sam's Club. So if you want a quick hamburger, a 2-minute hamburger, and they're just as good as anything you can get in town, I promise you. Okay, they're very good. So that's how we do it here. Make a hamburger in 2 minutes.